Hello and welcome to our video today on being able to change mixed numbers into improper fractions and improper fractions into mixed numbers. Right, well, first of all, what is a mixed number? Well, it is quite simply this. It's where you've got a whole number and a fraction. So in this case, this is 2 1/4. The improper fraction, we used to call them top-heavy fractions, is basically getting rid of the whole number there. So as you can see here, we have got 9 quarters. And so 2 1/4 is the same as 9 quarters, or 9/4. And that's our improper fraction. So what we're going to look at today is changing one of these into the other and the other one back into the other one. So that's a mixed number and an improper fraction. So let's have a look at this. We're going to change a mixed number into an improper fraction. Well, if you look there in the two whole numbers, we have got 8 eighths in each one of these. Okay, so we're going to change 2 3/8 into an improper fraction. So we're going to get rid of the whole number. And if I look here, if I visualize it, here's 2 whole numbers and 3 eighths. We want to work out how many eighths there are altogether. So we're going to first of all multiply our denominator by the whole number. We'll go 2 times 8. If we look at this diagram at the top here, we've got 2 lots of 8 in these 2 pies at the top. And then what we do is we add the numerator. So we have got 2 lots here of eighths, which makes 16, plus the 3 extra, 17, 18, 19, and we end up with 19/8. And that is how we've changed our mixed number into an improper fraction, 19/8. And let's see what happens when we do it in reverse. So we're going to change an improper fraction into a mixed number. Well, if we've got 47/7, it's like doing a division. So we're saying how many 7s are there in 47, and we come up with 6. And then whatever we've got left over, we're going to put over the denominator. So we've got 6 with 5/7 left over. So we can write 47/7 is 6 5/7. So here we've got our improper fraction, 47/7, and here we've got our mixed number, 6 5/7. I hope that's helped you in your changing improper fractions to a mixed number and vice versa. And now have a look at the work that's there in the program and work through that. Thank you for watching.